pagsulat. Si Justice Portia Corbachuelos, named after the hero of Shakespeare in Merchants of Venice. No? Ang sabi niya, excellence is a product of hard work. At marami raw akong sulat na pinadala sa kanya. Tama rin yun, marami akong sulat na pinadala sa kanya. Ang totoo, sana gusto ko na love letter ang padadala ko. Kaya lang di niya nahalata na love letters pala yun. Ang sabi niya, mga formal notes daw. Kaya ko nasasabihin, love letters talaga ito. Hangang-hanga ako eh. Magaling eh. Member ng SJS, Society for Judicial Excellence. Si Justice Romy Callao credited me too much. Ang sabi niya, isa raw ako sa 3 na responsible for his appointment. Hindi totoo yun. 2 lang sila, si Chief Justice Davide at saka si Justice Carpio. Kung ano man po nagawa ko, saling pusa lang tayo. Saling ket, sabi nga. Ngunit, bakit ko siya tinulungan? Hindi naman kami talaga magkakilala. Nung tinignan ko yung record niya, nakita ko, 1993 Cayetano Arellano Awardee. Sabi ko, magaling ito. Ang totoo yung sinabi niya, we didn't know each other before. I knew him only when he was nominated to the Supreme Court by the JBC. And I looked at his record, and Justice Carpio and I were talking one day about him, and Justice Carpio was saying, hindi ko rin masyadong kakilala ito, pero ang araw in-interview ko. Pero pagka-interview ko, hindi naman pumasak kay Presidente Ramos. Kaya siguro ngayon ikapapasa na siya. Yeah. Kaya si Justice Carpio responsible, hindi ako. Si Justice Myra Bertia Fernandez, siya pala nagdala rito kay Imelda Papin. Musically inclined siya. Narinig ko na siya kumanta noon, di ba? Mahaba po ang introduction niya. Ngunit ang pinakagusto ko, yung sinabi niya, na ako daw founder ng National Union of Students. Kasi in 1958, we organized the National Union of Students. I became a president of that organization. Ang hindi nila alam, kaya ako in-organize yung National Union of Students. Ako yung president ng Student Council ng Paris State University yun. Alam niyo naman, ang Paris State University, eskwela ng mga pang-brown. Yung mga may hirap at mga masa, hindi ba? Sabi ko, paano kaya ako makakakilala ng mga kolegyala? sabi ko, para ako makakilala ng mga kolegyala, kailangan i-organize ko yung various student councils. Kasama na yung mga kolegyala. Paris ng Merinon, ng St. Scholastica, ng St. Teresa's. Editor po ng St. Scholastica College Organ, yung Scholastican, si Elenita Carpio. Carpio rin siya. Kagaya ni Justice Antonio Carpio at saka ni Justice Conchita Carpio Morales. Pero malalakas po sila, kagaya ni Bernardo Carpio. Kaya yun po sikreto kung bakit ako nag-student leader, kung bakit ko pinorm yung National Union of Students, para makilala ko yung mga kolegyala. Sapagkat kung hindi nyo na itatanong. Pero yung medyo may edad na rin, may mga puting buhok, siguro alam nila. Nung araw yung mga kolegyala, hindi naman lumalabas yan, di ba? Di ba, Justice De La Rama? Hindi naman lumalabas yan, panay mongha yan eh. Di ba? They're cloistered in the walls of their colegios, forgetful of what's happening outside. Pero hindi lang naman ako noon active sa student council ng Paris University. I was also president of the Student Catholic Action. Bagaman hindi ko alam ang maging Katoliko noon, no? Pero we had a spiritual director. The name was, he's now dead, Father Michael Nolan. Nakikilala niyo ba si Father Michael Nolan? He was very popular at that time. And he was encouraging me. And he said, you know, he was a Colombian priest, Irish, very beautiful eyes, Irish, smiling eyes. sabi niya sa akin, he was encouraging me to be active in the student movements outside the Far Eastern University. So we organized the National Union of Students, including UP, UST, and so on. So I told him, but we will not succeed, Father, without the colegialas. So get them out of the colegios. So he talked with the nuns. And he said, you know, you must help the student movement. You must help Christianize the student movement in this country. And he was able to convince the nuns. And so therefore, I was successful in getting the colegialas out and in meeting my wife. Mahirap mangligaw dito sa Maynila. Sapagkat pupunta ka rin sa mga bahay nila, lalaki, di ba? Medyo mahirap lang tayo. Newsboy lang tayo nun. Sabi nga nila, sino nagsabing newsboy ako? Totoo rin yun, na newsboy ako. Kailangan lumabas sa Maynila para pantay-pantay kami. Kaya nag-sponsor ang National Union of Students seminar outside Manila sa Naga City. And on the train pa eh. We rode the train from Manila to Naga City. Inarrange ko, magkatabi kami sa upuan. President ako eh, siyempre. Nagkatabi kami. Nagliteratuhan pa. Naku, galit ka galit sa mga madre. Bakit yung lamok na yan ang ibig mo? Sabi ko. Pero after all the testimonials today, I hope that tonight my wife will tell me, finally and at last, I am proven correct. The nuns in St. Scholastica were wrong. Although yung parents niya, gusto ko. Lalong-lalo na yung mother-in-law ko. Alam niyo, pag naliligaw tayo, di ba? Nililigawan muna yung mother. Ganun ang ginawa ko. Nag-strategize ako. Si Justice Helen Gutierrez, matalik ko pong naging kaibigan siya. Bagaman bago siya dumating sa Supreme Court, hindi kami masyadong magkakilala. Ngunit nagkasama kami sundo sa 3rd Division. I was chairman of the 3rd Division and we were there. Sa umpisa po, nag-aaway kami. Matapang eh. Matapang. She fought for what she believed in. Sabi ko ba, leader ito? May 4 C's. Alam niyo ba yung 4 C's of leadership? Courage, creativity, character, and charisma. Every leader has 4 C's. In another speech at another time, I will elaborate. But I'd like you to know that Justice Gutierrez has those 4 C's. Actually, dapat 5 eh. Yung pan-5, curfew.